Labor of Cambodia, provisions on public order and forced labor. Section 3. Public order. Article 13. The provisions of this law are of the nature of public order, excepting derogations provided expressly. Consequently, all rules resulting from a unilateral decision, a contract or a convention that do not comply with the provisions of this law or any legal text for its enforcement, are null and void. Except for the provisions of this law that cannot be derogated in any way. The nature of public order of this law is not obstructive to the granting of benefits or the rights superior to the benefits and the rights defined in this law, granted to workers by an unilateral decision of an employer or a group of employers, by an employment contract, by a collective convention or agreement, or by an arbitral decision. Section 4. Publicity. Article 14. The employer must keep at least one copy of the labor law at the disposal of his workers and, in particular, of the workers' representatives in every enterprise or establishment set forth in Article 1 of this law. Section V. Forced labor. Article 15. Forced or compulsory labor is absolutely forbidden in conformity with the International Convention No. 29 on forced or compulsory labor, adopted on June 28, 1930 by the International Labour Organization and ratified by the Kingdom of Cambodia on February 24, 1969. This article applies to everyone, including domestics or household servants and all workers in agricultural enterprises or businesses. Article 16. Hiring of people for work to pay off debts is forbidden.